welcome back to another video, guys. So this is a test for the Freedconn TCOM OS, and basically it's attached to the side of my head. I'll show in a picture on the side. So I'm not sure what percentage this is. My visor is open, so I'm just going to turn it up now and close the visor. Okay, so 30 miles per hour, I can hear it a little bit, so it's quite responsive. You've got to hold it to turn it up though. Let's turn it up a bit louder. That's full. Turn it down a bit. Do you wanna have fun? That's quite loud considering, and that's probably about halfway. So apparently this can go up to about 70 before you can't hear, before the music and stuff becomes inaudible. Same with the volume on the mic. Basically if you're on the call. Let me turn this shit down. So I'm just going to try take it up to speed and see how I can hear it. Obviously I'll keep it quiet a minute. Oh, it's certainly getting colder, guys. Right, let's turn her up. Ready? I'm going to try and go fast as I can. Does really well at 56. We butter the bread with butter. Yeah, guys, so far so good. It's well, it's so loud, it's deafening. So yeah, I'm not sure how the call volume's gonna pan out. I think it's the same principle. If so, then I assume it should be pretty good. Now the other half said the call quality is really good as well. So fingers crossed, guys, that it pans out really well. And yeah, so I'm going to test it again. This is visor up. It is loud. I can hear it over the wind. 70. But my eyes are killing me now. My eyes are watering. I can't put my visor down or I won't see. Fair play. That's pretty good so far. Definitely don't think I've wasted any money. So that's always a good sign. That is pretty impressive. Even after even after 70 miles per hour, it pretty much handled it like a champ. I'm not sure how loud it's going to sound with the microphone because it picks up quite a bit, to be honest, and hopefully it's not terribly loud for you guys, even on quiet. That's my first impression of the Freedconn TCOMs OS Bluetooth intercom. Now, just to run over quickly, it can obviously do Bluetooth through your phone, so you can so you can do calls, listen to music, and obviously do your sat nav. So it is a handy device to have, even if the intercom feature isn't as good. Now, I think it does 100 meters, which isn't great, but at the same time it isn't bad. So, you know, as long as you're close riding with people, this can do up to 3 people. I'm not sure if it's cross compatible with other intercoms. I mean, I think it will be, but I've still yet to test that out. But yeah, Jareth recommended the device to me, so I thought, fuck it, I'll get it, because it's only like 30 odd quid, so I think I paid 34, well, just say 35, just round it off, like, it's easier to round it off, as opposed to not rounding it. And yeah, it's definitely exceeded my expectations, especially for music anyway. Like, I know you're not really supposed to listen to music on the road, but I guess you could drown out the wind. Yeah, I guess you could drown out the wind anyway. But yeah, when I get a chance, I'll test the actual intercom feature out, and we'll do a pair up. You can pair up to 3 riders. The third one is like including yourself, I think. So technically it's 2, I think. I'm not entirely sure, but I think it includes yourself, so you can have like GPS and that. So you can have GPS and that in the background, I think. The only way I'm going to tell you that is when I find out what's what, basically. But yeah, no, I'm pretty impressed, I gotta be fair. The battery life, now, coming on to battery life. Apparently, it lasts up to 100 hours of talk time, 8 to 900 on standby. Now, that's pretty good considering. I've got a power bank, so I could probably get more out of it on the fly, or charge it when we're, you know, chilling or at stops or whatever. So, you know, the possibilities are sort of flexible with myself. So basically that goes really low. So another feature is basically we'll switch between so yeah, it can only do 100 meters, so when I get a chance I'm going to test it out with Jareth and see how we get on there. So hopefully the music hasn't blistered your ears, because I listen to a varied amount of tunes, so, you know, yeah. If you like this video, caress that lovely like button, hit the subscribe button for more content just like this or better than this, you never know. So I will see you guys in the next one. Yeah, Sika puta. I hate buses. I think they own the fucking road.